Alright, today we're going to use one of the little rounds here that are from Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and we're going to make a little spring sign. So I've got this. I have a few of the different picks that I got in the Michaels boxes. So they're normally $3.99. They were in the $10 Michael boxes. And I also have florals from my Michaels boxes. And again, florals you can get at Dollar Tree too if you'd like. These were ripped off of the Michaels picks that I converted over to the little Christmas houses, little elf village thing I made. And I've got some different Waverly chalk paints that were purchased from Walmart. And I actually am thinking about using the green because I think with the florals I have a lot more of like the pinks and purples. So first I'm going to start by take this thing off of here. I'm too lazy to get my scissors right now. Alright, so I'm going to take this off. And first I'm going to start with painting this. So I'm just going to paint it the green. Alright, so I have my Hello Spring, the little back taken off there, and all it is a piece of metal. You just pull that out and pull your tacks up. And first I'm going to get this on, and then I'll start kind of building the flowers around. So put this down here. Okay, so now that I have that in place, I just picked all kinds of little things. I also found these, which I thought were kind of cute, so figure maybe I'll pop these off and put those on too. And this is going to be quite sporadic. And I'm just going to cut the backs of the flowers off and add some hot glue and just push them down into place. Oops. This is one when you cut off, petals are going to start falling off, so you have to hold these. And get a good bit of glue all the way around so that the petals don't pull off to where it'll pull off from your sign. Alright, so here's our sign. As far as filling in, it's just whatever your preference is. You just, stop when you think it's time to stop. The other thing that I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to add these. So these were trims that were in the boxes as well. I think it just needs a little something because the circle, it looks kind of cheap, I think, if you don't finish it off. So I'm going to now take and do a border all the way around and just hot glue this down. And for the end, because it's braided and it's got to stay together, I'm going to start the end underneath here so that the petal hides it. So see that now that looks more finished. So now I will put the twine back through here, and I think what I'm going to do is knot it to where it is more on the back and not across the front here. Let's see. There's the border, and there's our tie.
Show 'em, buddy.
And that's how it looks on the back. I just do like a little leaf to kind of help hold it in place where I want it to be. Remember, if I can do this, you can too, and hit that subscribe button to do more projects together.